Okay, well, let me switch the lights on. Hold on a second. Hopefully that's a bit better. You can see me now. Okay, well, here we are. We've got the I've just entered the Euro Australian here on this trade. You can see the level I got in at 157.81.5. I've got another position on as well at 157.81.3. So just a couple of ticks under this, all right. And it's going to be on for just under 17 hours from now. And just to have a look at the charts here on the daily, big picture, it's there. So some resistance, soft resistance, but nevertheless resistance. So these are daily candles. 4 hour is like so. The 1 hour is like this. So you got a bit of a hesitation there. And 15 minutes looks like that. There's a channel here. I'll show you how to draw channels with trend lines. And that's the 5 minute. So I could also say it's almost like a double top with these two, and almost a treble top there. So we're meeting resistance that's going back to about the 8th or 9th of March, say 9th of March. Yeah, 9th of March. This one's a demo account, by the way, but it's just very good visually for explaining trades. And let me go over here. This is the current trade that's on. Now let me just pause this for a moment. Okay, so just resuming, this is the other trade. In fact, I've got muddled up here which one this is on for 17 hours, 81.15 to be below, and the other one is, okay, the other one is this, it's 81, I was at 157, 81.7, so that's a good entry actually. 157, 81.7, 17 hours. Well, no, sorry, this is just under 21 hours. Sorry, when I'm operating the software like this, it's it's easy to get mixed up with things sometimes. The trading for me is easy, but operating the software here can be a little bit difficult. So this is a good entry. This is 157.81.7 and just under 21 hours to go. Tomorrow, Friday, we have, news on the euro and the Oz. This will be nothing. But there's some German data, there's some euro data here, and it's year on year. Now one of these trades is going to go through that, so hopefully it's all in line with expectations, and one of them will go past that, so we'll have to bear that in mind. But they are good entries, and London is just about to close now, or winding down certainly, so the volume will die down. New York lunchtime, in fact it's about 1 o'clock in New York now. One thing you have to do is get your time zones ready on this, and there we go. Got to run because the video is running out. Take care.